Well, ito lang naman yung gusto namin, pahabain yung series. So, the longer the series, I feel we have a chance. No, chance lang naman. So we're just looking for that chance. I feel na our longer rotation, our bench can help out if we can extend this to 6 or 7 games. Mas makakatulong yung rotation namin. So yun yung advantage na nakikita ko. We're just trying to prolong the series. And today our bench stepped up. Si Christian nga nag-best player, si Mike Malonzo stepped up, si Josh David stepped up. So a lot of people made contributions on both ends, no? And sa kanila Justin Brownlee was just carrying the whole team on his shoulders. So we feel if we can put that responsibility on him for a longer period, maybe we have an advantage in the long run.
Now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Of course, yun ang nangyari after the game with Bobby yung Kuwait.
Actually, the whole story is yung referees nung nagkamali sa amin, may nasuspend eh. I think a couple of games ago. Pag yung referee naman sa kanila nagkakamali, wala namang nasususpend. And I feel as a governor, it's not his job to keep talking to the referees and in that way intimidating them. Hindi never na ginawa yun ni Attorney Mert yung governor namin. No? So ang layo ng behavior. No? So maybe coaches can complain, maybe assistant coaches can complain. But I feel in terms of demeanor and ethics, yung board kung kaya nila na pigilin yung emotions nila, they should just leave that to their coaching staff. No? And to the players kung gusto magreklamo ng players. So ayun, tapos from afar tinawag niya akong ulul. Hindi ko naman siya yun lang naman ang sinabi ko. So nagkasagutan kami. I think marami namang witness nun. Marami namang naka-witness nun. So I was just asking him to stop talking to the referees. And then from afar, sumigaw siya. So, ganun lang yun. And there were a lot of witnesses. Daming witnesses. Di ko naman siya minura. Sabi ko lang, wag mong kausapin ang referees. Which is a fair statement. Kasi, yun nakaka-intimidate yun. And in a series, it's a close series, and there are a lot of calls that can determine the game. I'm protecting my team. No? At hindi namin never ginawa yun ni Attorney Mert sa referee. Or kahit si Boss Edison na assistant alternate governor namin. So, there's a delineation doon sa roles, no, sa roles ng staff at ng officers ng management ng team namin. Maybe sometimes I can baka paminsan-minsan pwedeng madala siya ng emotion niya, siya. But not every time. But not every time. Tao rin naman yung mga yan eh. Minsan may bugso ng emosyon mo, no? Pero you cannot do that for game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4.
Coach, clarify lang. Bago ko tinawag nung yun sinabi mo, meron na ba kayong prior na...
Wala akong alam. No, wala akong alam. Wala akong alam.
Tapos coach, nung after the game, ano yung naging usapan naman doon?
Akala ko makiki-handshake siya. Nilapitan ko si Coach Tim, nag-handshake kami. Tapos lumapit siya. Tinanong niya ako ano raw ang problema ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, huwag mo lang kakausapin yung referees.
Coach, sa game naman. Kasi, nung second quarter, that was the time when you pulled away without Jalen Johnson. Just, na-mention mo na yun at you touched on how the players played well, but could you
We just played hard. No? Ang sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kayong matakot matalo. Ang mas nakakatakot, yung hindi tayo naglaro ng 100%. Don't fear losing. Kaya matakot matalo. Basta pag naglaro kayo, itodo nyo lang. Kaya nga, buwis buhay kami. Buwis buhay lang yung laro namin. Just compete, show up, compete. The result is really not totally within your control. Siguro ngayon, sinuwerte kami dahil we played hard. But the next game, kahit if you play hard against a team like Ginebra, baka hindi ka pa rin manalo.
Coach, ano masabi mo sa performance ni Joshua David? Yung sa starting line natin, second, yung katabi mo si Manaytay, also delivered. As a rookie, week of game, kaya ito importante.
Joshua was just looking for a break. Nandun talaga sa ano niya, meron talaga siyang galing, may talento siya. And he was just looking for a break. He can defend, he can shoot the three. Hindi ako nagugulat na he's making his three because he's working on his three. So, hindi ka gulat-gulat sa akin yun. I'm actually expecting that from Josh.
Si Chris na naman.
Si Christian, magmula nung nag-best player siya, nung isang laro din, kailan mag-best player? Yung Taita. Akala niya, star na rin siya. So, nakakatulong sa, nakakatulong sa confidence niya. Kaya ito, nagbalik siya. No? Malaking tulong yun.
Coach, you limited Ginebra to 5 3-pointers.
Ano?
Lima lang yung na-shoot ng Ginebra na twice. Which is one of their main
Siguro it's the law of averages. Game 1 ang taas ng percentage niya, Game 2 ang taas ng percentage, Game 3 ang taas ng percentage nila. Darating yung panahon or oras na magmimintis sila. Siguro ngayon lang yun. Baka pagdating ng Game 5, bigla na naman andun yung stress nila. So, that's the that's the risk you take, taking threes. There will be good nights and there will be bad nights. But if it's really part of your system, you accept those good nights and bad nights.
Christian, ano masabi mo sa performance mo tonight na yun na, playoff game, tawag kayo 2-1 series, saks man ang step up?
Yun na nga, before the game, sinabi ni Coach Shane na don't afraid to make mistakes. So, para sa akin, as a rookie, so going to the game, so pag pinasok ako, forward na talaga. And napansin ko din kasi na medyo magaan yung depensa sa akin. So, whenever I attack, yun, nakaka-score naman. At syempre, nung na-foul trouble si Jalen, nag-usap kami ni Mike Malonzo na pag pumasok kami, bigyan na namin yung best namin. We will try to hold them off as long as we can para pag pumasok sila, yun na.
Coach, lastly na lang, how will yung mga nangyari ngayong game 4 will affect game 5 for both teams psychologically?
Well, if you're coming off a win, you have momentum, you have confidence. Now it's a best of 3. So, pag best of 3, whoever wins game 1 of a best of 3, which is going to be on Friday, has more than 50% chance of winning the series. So, yun yung, I think the biggest game is going to be on Friday.
With that, we end our post